Hi, welcome to my channel Coding Skills. In this video, we will see how we can establish a communication between server and client. So we will use networking API methods to establish a communication between both of them. Let's see how we can implement the same by using an Eclipse editor. Now I'm getting back to Eclipse. So let's create two separate Java classes. One is for server and the other one is for client. First, I'm going to start with the server. Selecting public static void main method. So let's import all the required things. So data input stream for reading some input. As we are going to deal with the IO operations, so we will be getting IO exception. So we need to handle that as well. Server socket. So where we need to create a server object. The socket object in order to get a corresponding client request. Let's create an instance for your server class. Basic structure is ready. Let's create two separate methods. One is to start the server and the other one is to read messages from client. Before that, let's declare required variables. Server socket. Socket. Right. Start server. So we are going to throw the IO exception. Instead of handling in the each individual block, we are going to handle in a main method. Let's give a port number as 6666. So we are going to create a server socket object on the port number 6666. Now let's print a message that is to so we are done with the starting of the server method. Let's create another method. Public read message from. In this method also will throw exception. IO exception. Data. So this socket is the like where we'll get the reference from your client. So we are getting the input stream from the corresponding socket. So when whatever the client which is linked to server, so we are going to get hold of that particular client object input stream. Once we got the input stream ready, so let's create a we get it. So we are printing it. Once you are done with the reading of everything, let's close all the. Close it. And so we need to make sure that all the objects whatever we have opened, we are closing everything. Now within this method, we need to call these two particular methods. Yes, we have thrown have exception in both the places. So we are going to call this method means since we are supposed to handle the exceptions. Server as well as read message from client. So we are done with the server program. So let's create a client program. Selecting public static void main method. Let's input all the required classes. Port, data, output. Unknown host exception. So whenever, so as this is a client program, it will try to connect to server. By chance, if the server is not able to connect for some reason, then we will get unknown host exception. Scanner in order to read some data on the keyboard. Creating a object for your class. Similar to server, we'll also create two particular methods. One is to establish a connection, other one is to send a message. That's great. So for that, let's declare the required variables. Server program, we have declared a data input stream. So where there we are trying to read. Here we have declared a data output stream. So where we are going to write. Right. No exception and we are going to use this particular constructor. They will be passing a host name. So as we are going to perform everything in my local system, so default host name is the local host, and the port number of the host where the server is available 6666. Same configuration we gave in a server. Client started successfully. Let's create another method. Sending message public void Send message to server. Message. Message, and just want to forgot to add a throws clause in a method signature. Need to flush the data. Close. Also, make sure to close your socket as well. So we're done with closing all the resources, whatever we open. Let's handle the exception. I can add an individual exception as I'm expecting unknown host exception and IO exception. I'm just capturing in a base exception. Once the client is started successfully, so it's time to read some data from the keyboard. This first. Scanner. Let's see dot. Once you got the message into your variable, my client send message to server, whatever the message variable. That's it. We're done. We're done with both coding both server and client. As these are like standard programs, so I'm going to run these programs using a command mode. Let's go back to location wherever they have saved. So the compiled versions will be saved in a bin folder. I'm going to open two command windows. One is for the server, another one is for client. Two command windows open successfully. So let's start the server environment. Java. Com.exams is your package. My server is your actual program. Server started successfully. Let's run the client. Client started successfully. Please enter message for server. Message from client is welcome to socket programming. So let's run it again. Whatever the message that you are sending from your client, you can see the same message in the server. So right now we are doing both server and client in our same local machine, but there are chances that your server will be sitting in some network places and the client will be in some other place. So they can establish a connection as long as they are able to pair up with the respective port number. Let's say we are not starting the server. So what if I try to start the client? So what we are expecting, definitely we should see some exception. Let's see the connection exception, connection refused. because it is not able to connect, it is not able to identify any particular server with that particular port number. Hence, it's failing to start the client application itself. Thanks for watching. In case if you are having any questions, please drop me a comment in the comment section below. Please like the video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel and following a few other videos from my channel in case if you are interested in going through them. Please, if you are looking for any specific program, please do let me know in the comment section below so that I'll be able to help you as early as possible. Thank you very much. Bye.